Today, I will tell you how I made more than $500,000 in my commercial property investment in less than 12 months. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jas Oberoi and I'm a real estate agent, investor, and a serial entrepreneur. I went from working as a server to owning multi-million dollar worth of real estate portfolio in just 8 years. In my career, I have helped hundreds of my clients buy over 900 million worth of real estate using tried and tested strategies, and I am here to share those tips with you on this channel. All right, let's kick things off with the simple truth. In commercial real estate, increasing rental income is like finding the secret sauce to success. Why? Because when you boost your income, you directly increase your property value. It's like magic. I will show you exactly how it's done using a real life case study, my own commercial property. So grab your notepads and let's get started. In 2020, I bought an office building in Abbotsford. The building is about 11,400 square feet. It's a multi-tenant building with offices and professionals like lawyers and accountants. I paid roughly $3 million for it. When I bought the building, it was making about $150,000 a year in NOI, or net operating income in the other words. That is at the cap rate of 5%. Just in case if you don't know what is cap rate, I will highly recommend you to watch my cap rate and basic investments on real estate video. Now, here's the interesting part. Using some smart strategies, I was able to increase the property value significantly. How? By working on the leases. When it was a time for renewal, I was able to negotiate with the tenants for higher rents, roughly $8 to $9 per square foot. That increased to NOI of $185,000. That's an increase of $35,000. Now, you would think that that's a small jump in income, right? No. I will show you its huge impact. In commercial real estate, and this is something I keep emphasizing in my videos too, we need to focus on increase the NOI, because if you know the formula of calculating property value, it's NOI divided by cap rate. So if we have a higher NOI or lower cap rate or both, the property value will increase. So in my case, even if I use the same 5% cap rate, assuming the location has not seen any appreciation in value, or in other words, the cap rate has not decreased, and the use that 5% cap rate to divide the increased NOI of $35,000, my property has already gone by $700,000 to $3.7 million. Do you see the math? Yes, the value went by 25%. Isn't that amazing? And here's the best part. My tenants are paying my mortgage for me. The mortgage payment is about $13,000, but I get $16,000 in rent. That means I make $3,000 extra each month, or $36,000 annually. This means I'm building more equity in my property without using my own money. So if you bring everything together, the increase in rental income, the increase in market value, my tenants paying off my mortgage, and the increase in my equity, my actual return is substantial. All right, so what's the key takeaway from this? Increasing your property value is not a rocket science. When you increase your rental income, you are not just getting more cash flow, you are significantly boosting your property value. But here's the catch. It only applies to commercial properties. That's the beauty of commercial real estate investing. Remember, in commercial real estate, creativity and strategic thinking can lead to incredible returns. So don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore different ways to maximize your rental income, just like I did. Do you want to know more about how to find these kind of properties, or how to talk to the tenants about raising rent? Let me know in the comments. That's all for today. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more real estate knowledge. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you're interested in knowing about best passive investment strategy in real estate, do check out my video on triple net investing. Until then, see you next time. Take care.